Good morning. Well, no, it's actually afternoon. We just got ready, so we woke up early, cleaned the entire house, got ready, and now we're gonna leave. We're gonna go to Indranagar again and go to GKVL and take pictures. We need it for our registry. And what else? We're gonna do some shopping, maybe some grocery shopping, and then come back because we're gonna go partying tonight. So yeah, I've cleaned the entire house. Let me give you a quick sneak peek before I leave. We're already really late. Okay, clean. We also took out the drums, filled it in, so it's all nice and clean. This is also clean. It's clean. And the living room is clean as usual. Manjot, are we ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Are you excited for today?
Yeah, very excited.
Okay. Why?
I don't know, you just asked me, so I'm excited.
We've started. Where are we going?
Indranagar.
No, we're not.
Either Whitefield or Indranagar.
We're in Whitefield.
GK Well. What is it? GK Well? What is it?
Yeah. So we're going to Phoenix after that, and then we'll have to come back and eat, and then again get ready and leave. Because my friend is playing tonight, like DJ playing, at 1-8 Commune. So we're gonna go support her and have fun. So excited. So we got no parking, so we've come to Phoenix Mall because we had to come here anyway. We're gonna park here and then we're gonna cross the road and go to GK Well, and then after that, it's not GK Wale. It's not GK Wale.
Sunglasses in the basement, don't show me.
And so yeah, we're gonna go take our pictures, get our pictures clicked, and then come back, eat here, and then we'll see. We're gonna literally go there.
Yes,
We're at Phoenix now. We're back. We got our picture. It's very nice and beautiful. I'll go home and show you guys. We're just gonna keep these pictures, maybe go to social and grab a bite, and then go to home center, see if we can get a console. Yeah. So my husband just got me Magnolia.
I got myself too.
What is that? Red velvet
Red
cookie?
velvet banana pudding.
Red velvet banana pudding. Wow. And mine is like the classic.
Vanilla cupcake with chocolate buttercream.
Yeah, which is like my favorite. Okay. The Manjots, the red velvet one is like better than mine. What the hell? It's really good and it's super soft. Sorry, I'm going to take another bite. It's really good. Good choice, babe.
You are the cookie.
We're in Fab India now. Ooh, yeah, that's very pretty. It's a console.
50%. Don't get excited for this. That's also flat 50%.
That's actually really nice.
That no?
Yeah, maybe we can. We really like this console. It's also on 70% off, so I think we're gonna buy it. It's very beautiful. We're gonna ask them to fix a few stuff and do polishing, and then hopefully we'll buy it. Yes, babe?
Yeah. Looking forward to this. Just waiting for them.
Yeah. It's very pretty. I love the sofa and it's on 50% off. And Manjo's not letting me get it. We've come to home center now. Everything. So we literally bought a console from Fab India.
50% off. Wait.
It's 50% off. But it's okay. This is not like a...
This is 22K. After discount.
This is 22K. Yeah, but this is not a TV console, so it's okay. We're just trying to. Yeah. This is like a bar thing. Yeah, that can be for the entrance. We can see, but this is for a bar thing. It has those. Wait, okay. Manju, this is on 80%. But
This is 20%.
oh, that's all.
20,000.
Anyway,
This will be 20K.
yeah. 18K. This looks like 18K also. It's very nice.
And this is wood and marble.
Yeah. Very nice. We are done. We just got these. Yeah. I'll go home and show you. Manjot's gone down to put those 2 lanterns in the car, and I'm going to Zara because there's a sale going on, and so I'm going to go check it out. Let's go shop. Got my perfume for the house. Manjot.
Is this same Zara?
No, Zara Men is in the. Oh, it's that side.
Where?
Zara Men is
It
towards
might
the
be on a different
entrance.
floor.
No, it's not on different floors. It's on the same floors towards the entrance. I know. It's really nice, but Bangalore's not the place to wear this. But it's not that. It's nice only. How much is it?
Where? It's free.
It's free. Because there's no price tag. Wow. Do you want me to hold? Zara Men is equally crowded. Very crowded. Done. Now we're going to Bath and Body Works. We did a lot of shopping today, babe.
The biggest thing we bought is not even here.
Yeah, I know.
And the home center stuff is already in the car.
I know. Yeah. We're entering Bath and Body Works now. We're gonna buy. Hi. Everything is on sale and it's super pretty. Everything is very tempting here. Okay, so we're getting on to Phoenix Mall, and okay, so you know what happened? I literally, babe, be careful. I shouldn't be saying that because we went to Bath and Body Works and I actually dropped one of the most expensive candles. Like one candle was I think 4K, and I dropped it and I said, listen, I'm gonna buy it. But they were very sweet and they said, no ma'am, it's okay, you don't have to buy it. So I still bought 2 candles, but I felt really bad, and it also smelled divine. My hand slipped. Like there was something on it, so my hand slipped. The candle was powdery, so it slipped because I'm usually very careful. But it was very sweet of the guy, and he really helped me even after that to find other candles. So it was very nice and very sweet. We shopped a lot today. No way.
A lot. Some of the stuff we don't even have it in our car.
Yeah, because we got the console from Fab India. I can't believe because I really thought we were gonna get the IKEA one only, but we actually got the Fab India one, which I love Fab India way more than IKEA, so it's okay. So we're also running late. We're gonna go home, quickly eat. We have to order on the way so it reaches home on time. We're gonna quickly eat, get ready, and leave. And we go to 1-8 Commune.
Drive you.
Super excited, and then book a drive you later. Let's see how it goes. So we weren't supposed to do any shopping, but guess what? And then the console is gonna be delivered this week. Sorry babe, I'm gonna hold it. So we're back home. Just quickly showing you, we got the eucalyptus rain candle, and we got the rose water and ivy. So we're basically going to head out. We're late, but everyone is late, so we're just gonna quickly eat because we're starving, and we also know yummy recommended from this place called
Good flipping burgers.
Yeah.
And they are good flipping burgers.
Soon. Okay. So we're really late. I don't think we're gonna make it to the set, but like we went down and then we had to come up again because my earring fell down, like the back part of my earring.
It's not real.
No. We were stressed out and it fell somewhere in this lift but we can't find it. Anyway, we're gonna go down and leave. And we thought it's in Indranagar, but it's in Laval Road. It's on Laval Road. So now we're gonna take a lot of time. But
Yeah.
I just hope we have fun.
Yeah, we will.
Okay.
One minute on the video.
We're almost there. So pretty. This is near where we got married.
Where?
JW. This is near JW.
Oh, okay. Oh, this looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's a very pretty church also inside. I've been.
Yeah.
Tonic. Oh, it's here.
Yeah, you're on top now.
What nonsense! So we're just waiting for Krishna and then we're gonna go in.
Should I change the t-shirt?
No. No!
You look like one gangster.
Yeah.
Yeah. That fur jacket. So this ulta or seedha?
Hey, ulta. Go.
No, it's fine. We got our tags. Krishna's gone out somewhere. We're just gonna go up now. Hi. Okay, thank you. So we're heading out
Back home
back home, but he's hungry. He wants pizza, so we'll see.
at 1 a.m.
At one. No? So did you have a good time?
I really enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Don't say it. Chalo, let's go. Thank you. We're on our way back and we're exhausted, but we have fun.